Hi, my name is Natasha Ellison, and this is my last lecture. Chapter 1, Injured Lion.
Yeah.
I find myself more outside than in. If I had to choose a spirit animal, it would have to be a coyote. I love the water and the sun, even if it doesn't love me back.
Some lames. It's funny how they judge you when they see you made a change. I pulled another foe just to take away the pain. My friends were my friends, they was looking for some clout. I had what they wanted, so they always came around. You told me you would be there, but you never held it down. I'm out here being loyal, now I'm looking like a clown. I popped another.
The last time I went fishing, I wore a long sleeve shirt, long shorts, and long socks. No fish were biting, so I took a nap. When I woke up, I got super sunburnt. Just my hands and my knees got sunburnt. Bro, it's getting worse. Chapter 2, Parent Lottery. Now I know what you're thinking, and no, I'm not adopted. Even though I look nothing like any of my family members, I'm pretty sure I'm not adopted. I don't consider myself an only child because I have a dog that looks like me. She has red hair and she's fat. But yeah, basically I'm an only child with two parents that would do anything to keep me happy. They would always believe in me when no one did. When my old coaches said that I wouldn't be any good in softball, my parents always believed in me, and they pushed me to be who I am today and where I am in sports.
In penitentiary, off for you I take a slug, baby. Who the realest? Had to tell her I'm a genie, I got answer wishes, yeah. I got my static when you ride with me. We get pulled over, no you ain't gon' do no time for me. I put my hands up, yeah. Police drew down on me. So many charges make me wanna go run way overseas, yeah. Reminiscing about them days.
Chapter 3, Recovering Jerk. Growing up, I made a lot of bad choices. When I was younger, I was a big troublemaker, but as I grew older, I grew out of it. I made one of the biggest mistakes that could have caused me to lose my sports and could have gotten me expelled.
I don't even want to be if I can't be with you. I don't want to live if I can't be with you. Shawty, I don't want to well.
It all started last year where I pushed a girl at Kennedy. Long story short, she got mad and said she wanted revenge. She was talking on social media and all this, but I didn't say anything about her. During the game, she barely played, but when she did, all she did was talk smack and try to get revenge. She kind of failed. It was pretty funny. But after the game is when I made a bad decision of posting my opinion on social media. Her mom called the school and said I threatened her daughter. One of her teammates was posting bad things about me and threatened my teammates, but they didn't get into any trouble.
Girl, you got me singing a love song.
During our home game, her mom got mad and complained that I was playing. My mom's a savage and she recorded it. But anyways, this is the same lady that tried to attack me when I pushed her daughter.
How did you end up with me?
Chapter 4, Never Give Up. I would have to say I identify best with Tigger. I'm very cheerful and like to make jokes. I like to mess around with my friends. Growing up, I've always been small. Still am. This gave me a lot of disadvantages, also making people put me down. I've been told by my old coaches I'd never be any good. They told me I would never be able to hit past the pitcher. They would also tell me I'd never make it to travel ball, but I never let that stop me. I've been on many travel teams to finally one I'm on now. And honestly, I couldn't ask for better teammates and better coaches than I have now.
I just want your love for a minute. I've been counting, baby, you give me lieutenant.
for a minute. Ay, playing games with me, shawty, this is not no scrimmage. Swear that I did it. I do it, I does it. Ay, shout out my bloody, my woody, look, shout out my buzz as well.
I swear I'm bloodied up, bitch, never throwing up six.
Ay,
Is it disgusting? Something like the disease. Girl, you got me going out back. Girl, you got me.
What we get?
First place.
Okay. Going.
Good job, bitch.
You guys are not shit. Okay, there we go.
shorty, you so
You used to say you in love. You got me so
shorty, I don't need you anyway. I just sit back in my Balenciaga, sipping that lemonade, mixing it with Hennessy.
Chapter 5. Dreams will come to you. A big part of my life are my friends. They help get me through everything I'm going through. They help and motivate me to get better in sports. They come to all my home games and support me. Some know about softball, some don't.
Tasha.
So they even cheer for me when I miss a ball or pop up. All my friends are always there for me when I need them. Even when I make bad decisions, they always have my back. Especially all my teammates, softball and basketball.
I don't know the reason, finna wake them all up, cause I know they sleeping, I'm wide awake, but still dreaming, cream soda Fago, damn, still dreaming, they hate on me, I don't know the reason, finna wake them all up, cause I know they sleeping, I'm wide awake, but I'm still dreaming.
Get on! Bruh.
Reese.